What you gonna miss about Matt being here?
Oh man, he was he got it done. Got it all done. Got everything done. He was, how can I say it? He's right on time. If I had an issue, it was addressed straight away. We're gonna miss that. That's a big part of why I come here. So I hope that who's ever replacing him is half as good. I would still come.
Yeah, exactly. Appreciate you, man. What's up, everybody? It's your boy KellyB. Hey man, I'm at Black Gold Harley Davidson. I haven't been over here in a minute, but one reason that I was really coming over here today, man, my boy Matt, the guy who does all my dyno on my bike, got a great opportunity to move toward Daytona, him and his wife and his children, and man, I want to wish him the best. So I wanted to go over here today just to holler at him and a couple of the people here at Black Gold Harley Davidson, cause I hadn't been here in a minute. So hey, let's go into Black Gold. Hey, look at this, man. They got all the great sales. Y'all see that right there. But yeah, but let's go see what's going on in Black Gold, y'all. We are in Black Gold Harley Davidson. Y'all see they got the bikes for you out here already. And Black Gold is looking good. We got my dude Brace. What's up, man? How you doing, man?
They're gonna go off.
And we got dude Rob right here. What's going on? Robin. Not much, man. I heard this my boy finna get ready to leave, so I had to go see my boy, man. Yeah.
It's cool whenever we go to bike league.
Hey, definitely, and I'm going, man. So yeah, man. Everybody know about my dude leaving Black Gold, y'all. So what's up, man? So let's go see where he is. Matter of fact, this the man of the hour right here that we gonna miss big time. I know I am. This is the man that does all my dynoing. I got Shannon here, but man, how you feel, man? You happy? I know you're happy.
Talking to me?
Yeah, I'm talking to you.
Excited, man.
He excited, man. He's not showing a lot of excitement, but he's excited, man. But he is going Daytona, right?
Space Coast Harley, Palm Bay.
Okay, Palm Bay, Harley Davidson. He got a great opportunity, and I don't blame the man. If I had to take my bike way to, hey, I'll be in Daytona anyway.
See you again.
So yeah, man. What's up, man? That's Derek. But yeah, he's gonna be leaving y'all. So I'm gonna go around and ask a couple of guys what they think about this dude right here, the man of the hour. Man, when is your last day?
It's probably me 20th, 21st.
The 20th, 21st. Oh, he's leaving for Christmas.
I'll be here, but I'm leaving for Florida probably.
Okay, yeah, but okay then, yeah, but
New Year, new life.
New Year, new life. Y'all hear that one? That's a good one. But yeah, I'm gonna ask the guys what they gonna miss most about this cat right here, cause you've been here for how long?
It'll be 15 years in May.
15 years, that's a long time to be, you know, a lot of people don't stay at jobs that long like mom and dad used to do back in the day, doing 30 years, 40 years, you know how that is. So, but yeah, man, we're gonna ask a couple of people here, kind of talk to the text, man. So I'm gonna holler at the text, man, and see what they gonna miss most about this cat here. That's my dude right there. I'm gonna miss him because he does all of my stuff. So let's go in here and find somebody. Man, ain't nobody here. Oh yeah, it's a few here. It's a few here. What's up, man? Like you doing some work? You make it look like you doing some work.
No, I'm doing some work.
Look at
Doing a 131 in this.
you doing a 131. So man, I'm going around today. I just want to ask you, what you gonna miss most about Big Matt?
About Matt?
He's leaving, going to a different spot. I know it's a great opportunity. Didn't you move from down there yourself?
Yes, I did.
Yeah, so what you gonna miss most about this man? He been here 15 years. How long you been working with him?
5.
5 years.
Been here that long.
But that 5 years long enough, man. You know.
We don't all change jobs like you do.
But yeah, So, what you think, man? What you gonna miss most about Matt, man?
He brings a lot to the table with his knowledge on tuning and stuff like that.
Yeah.
Horsepower. I'm gonna miss that the most.
Yeah. Yeah.
His ability to tune and learn from me.
Right. Yeah, man. So yeah, they gon'.
He's got a heck of an opportunity down there.
Hey, I don't blame him, man. So Derek, I got a question, man.
What's your question?
So, what you gonna miss most about Big Matt?
Big Matt.
Little Matt,
Little
but
Matt?
Big Matt.
Boss man Matt?
Boss man, Matt.
Oh man, don't put me on the spot.
Come on, man.
His cheery attitude.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. He's always getting things done. Always on the hustle.
Yeah.
Always moving forward.
Yeah. And always in that motor.
Always in that motor. Always in that motor.
Yes, sir.
But that's good.
Appreciate you, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
No problem.
Okay. Look at my man Austin. What's going on? Got a question for you, man.
What's up?
What you gonna miss most about Big Matt or Little Matt?
Little Matt, he's just easy to go along with. He's a good manager.
Yeah, definitely, man. Y'all, so this is the man that Matt always put over the bike and get Khrome right. No issues with Khrome. So this man will still be here. So if you need your bike worked on, just ask for Austin right here, man. Black Gold.
That I will.
Appreciate you, man.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. All right, man. What you gonna miss most about Matt, man?
That beautiful smile.
Come on, man. Hey, we gonna leave that right there, cause he's still in brain fart mode.
Oh no, that was the real answer.
Man, I gotta ask you, man. Cody, what's up, man? What you gonna miss most about Matt, man? And be honest.
He's kind of my mad scientist buddy.
Y'all hear that, mad scientist? Hey, y'all, we all gonna miss that dude, man, because of the dyno. I'm finna ask. So what you gonna miss most about Matt?
Matt's knowledge of performance and products.
All that, man. What about you? You just come back.
I just came back. What am I gonna miss most about Matt? Man,
Good, Kelly.
What's
How
up?
are you, sir?
I'm good. How you doing?
everything. He's just so knowledgeable and he knows so much about bikes and
Yeah.
he's great.
I'm definitely gonna miss that.
Oh yeah.
I'm definitely gonna miss that part. So y'all, let me ask these people what they gonna miss most about my man. I got this music going now in the background. So you gonna have to talk loud. What you gonna miss most about Matt?
Well, my bike is definitely going to miss his tuning, so it looks like I'm not really going to be changing up my bike any for a little while.
Yeah,
Yeah.
everybody gonna be looking for somebody else to dyno.
Oh yeah.
So yeah,
He was definitely the best at that.
yeah, exactly. What are you gonna miss most about Big Matt?
So I worked with him over at the other building. I've known Matt for a decade, and his 14 years of experience is the thing we're gonna miss the most. But on a personal note, I love watching him ride side saddle on the motorcycles when he whips around here. He is
Yeah.
a balance master. So
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
his riding skill and his experience is what I'm
Yeah,
gonna miss.
hey, everything fast for Matt. Pulling out the parking lot fast
Right?
for Matt.
Yeah. There's only two speeds for him: stopped and on.
That's it. That's it. That's it. What you gonna miss most about Big Matt?
Matt's drive and dedication.
Dedication. What about you, Bryce?
Performance advice.
Oh yeah, man. Hey, we all gonna miss that. And I know this man is.
Absolutely 100% beyond a shadow of a doubt his inspirational quotes. Favorite one of all time is you miss 100% of the naps you don't take.
Yeah. He definitely give great advice. He give great advice, man. I'll tell y'all that. He's very knowledgeable over all these bikes, man. So we all definitely gonna miss that about Big Matt. So yeah, I'm gonna keep asking a few people what they gonna miss about my dude, cause I know I'm gonna miss him big time. So we're gonna go in here with Keith, so he can tell you what he gonna miss most about Big Matt.
Matt, just his leadership in the service department. It's gonna be hard for them guys to adjust back there for sure.
Yeah.
Also, you know, I'm not gonna have anybody down on my bike anymore, which kind of sucks because he's the best in the area. So if y'all get out to Florida, go see him for sure.
Hey, I'm definitely going to Daytona. You need to ride with me this year. You need to go with me. So yo, man, see, everybody know the dyno note. The dyno note. Everybody gonna miss about Matt. So y'all, I'm gonna ask a few more guys.
Hey,
what's up? Got a question for you.
What you got?
How well you know Matt, the dyno guy? You don't know Matt?
From Mississippi.
Okay, my wife from Mississippi.
Oh, really?
Yes, sir.
Really?
I got a question.
What you get, sir?
What you gonna miss most about Big Matt leaving?
I'm gonna miss everything about him. He's a good guy.
Yeah.
Really nice guy. Knowledgeable. Do anything for you.
Yeah.
No, he's awesome. He's amazing.
Yeah, we all got to find somebody that's a dyno the bikes.
I really hate to see
Yeah.
him go.
What's your name again?
Greg Davis.
Nice to meet you, Greg.
Man, pleasure
Yeah,
to
my
meet you.
wife from down that way. What part of Mississippi?
I'm Florence, suburbs of Jackson.
Okay, okay.
South of Jackson.
Nice. Oh yeah, my daughter's down there right now in Tuscaloosa, not Tuscaloosa, Tougaloo. That's where she at. That's where she at. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Pleasure meeting
You too. I'm gonna go in here with some of the big dogs in here. Hey, can I ask y'all a question?
Yeah, come on up. Let's go.
Question, man. What you gonna miss most about Big Matt? He's leaving.
Oh, Matt. His sarcasm. His sarcasm is what I'm gonna miss the most about Matt, for sure. Matt's a great guy, and I've enjoyed working with him over my course here at Black Gold.
That's cool. What you gonna miss most about him, Big
Well,
Dog?
you know, you can compare Matt to a submarine.
Yeah.
Why? Did you say why?
Yeah, why?
Because run silent, run deep.
Yeah.
I'm telling you, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's just does his job, and you don't hear his voice much, and he just gets it done.
That's true.
Run silent, run deep.
Good answer. I like that, y'all. Man, yeah, we gonna miss Big Matt, y'all. It's gonna be crazy without my dude here. I could call Matt anytime to get my bike dyno, and now, man, I don't know who I'm gonna call. So, but I'm gonna ask this man here why he's standing here by the man I'm talking about. What you gonna miss most about this dude right here?
His knowledge.
Yeah.
Good guy right here.
Yeah.
Learned a lot from him.
Yeah, that's it. You getting the same answer, man. So you got to be a good dude. Cause I've been dealing with you. Like I say, I got his personal number. I can call him anytime. When I get to Daytona, I'm gonna be able to pick up the phone and call this dude, and he will hit me back. That's just what it is, man. So yeah, we all gonna miss Big Matt here at Black Gold Harley Davidson. It's gonna be crazy around here. So yeah. So Shannon, one more time.
Yes, sir.
What you gonna miss about this big
Matt
big
himself.
Matt himself.
He is irreplaceable.
That's
Period.
true. That's true.
Period.
That's true. That's true, man.
He does what he does.
Exactly, man. And always on top of his game. Yeah. So yeah, man. I just want to come over here today to see what the employees. Everybody is not here to talk about Matt, but yeah, man. But you see the answers, man. The guy is a great dude. Like I said, I've been dealing with him for the last 3 years right here at Black Gold Harley Davidson. The dude gonna be truly missed here. And yeah, man, that's just what it is, man. I just had to come and show love to him. And it's finna rain. That's why I didn't ride Kong over here today. I didn't feel like dealing with the rain, and it's cold, y'all. So yeah, but Matt will be down in Palm Beach area. Let me get the name of the Harley Davidson he's gonna be at again. In here. What you gonna miss most about Matt? I know you working here right beside him a lot, so what you gonna miss most about him?
You know, he's just a cool guy. Always got something funny to say. He always just moves around so quick, and then he'll hit you with something. You're like, what?
So yeah, man.
Yeah, he's a good dude.
That's what's up, man. So yeah. He all right, man. He all right.
I try.
But yeah, so what Harley Davidson they can find you at now, man?
Space Coast Harley in Palm Bay.
Palm Bay. God, that's a long way.
17 hours from here.
Hey, I done did it twice. So I would definitely see this man again, y'all. Probably this year.
Hope so.
In March. Be right back down in Daytona, man. So y'all, we gonna get out of here. Me and my boy Big Matt. Till the next time, baby. Y'all already know. The next grind. Y'all stay safe. Hey man, y'all show Matt some love down in the comment. I'm out. Peace. 2, 3.
We rollin', man.